Hello, I'm Ravi. Today I'm sharing an idea as part of 21 Days 21 Tips, which is an initiative from the test chat community. And before going to the idea, let me share what I read a couple of days back in the test community. So the question was, I'm not able to make a click on this UI element, though I see this UI element in the DOM information. Doing a click on this UI element, I see an exception, that is element not interactable. So this exception comes when an element is not in a state where we can interact. Further, you can read it says element is not currently visible and may not be manipulated. But you see, okay, this your element on the web page and the details you see in the DOM rendered. Then why? Then why it's not interactable? Yeah, with the information what I have, what we see here, it's not easy to make out. But all we can say is that element is not in a state where we can interact. Okay, so let me come to the idea which I want to discuss today as a tip. Let me inspect, okay, this element. Okay, $0, fine. Let me inspect this button Google search. Okay, $0, fine. Again, $0, I got information about the button. I'm feeling lucky. Okay, let me go to the console. Let me see $0. Okay, I see the alerting on button. I'm feeling lucky. Right. Now I see the alerting on button Google search. Google 2. Now I see the alerting on the text field. So this gives me an idea that this $0, $1, and $2 are kind of historical references to the last 5 DOM elements which I inspected on the web page. Likewise, if I also inspect the element elements panel, I see the same $0, $1, and $2. Okay. Now, when I try to learn about JavaScript heap objects from the profile panel, there as well, okay, you'll see, okay, the same behavior of $0, $1, and $2. Let's not get into that part. Let's come to our idea that on the inspection of web UI element. Let me go for $0. Now, $0 attributes. Okay, this gives me the attributes of this button, which I can make use of to learn about it. And whenever I have a need to test for cross-browser testing compatibility, I can make use of this information and I can learn across the browsers. Does it have the same attributes or not? Okay, yeah. Further, let me go. It's disabled. Fonts, it's not disabled, it's enabled. Okay. Now let me go for parent node. Okay, you can see the parent node information. Okay, I can see this. Now there is no need for me every time that I should go and learn about that UI element by inspecting. I have that references in my history that's in this object. Now I can read this and I can learn about this UI element and figure out how to automate the same. If you see now, in a way, it's a layer of the testability for me, right? And further, it extends for me to identify the layer of automatability for that web UI element effectively. Yeah, explore on that. Now, same, let me come to, I'm feeling lucky with this. Okay, let me say copy JS path. Okay, let me see what happens here. Okay, this gave me this detail. Okay, now $0 dot click. Okay. Now let me see what is $0. Now, the reference of $0 is to this web page, what it is rendered. Okay, that's the doodles page. Now, you notice that I can learn whether I can make a click or not, and if I can interact on that element or not easily from your browser. This is one of the ways where I can learn about the web UI elements and its details to test better, and which I can extend to automate effectively. Thanks for listening. I'll come up with the next tip in the next tweet of me. Have a good day.